birds are singing in the trees. Cricket sounds float on the breeze. Moonlight dancing on the pond. Nature's symphony and beyond. Stars are sparkling up above, whispering tales of lasting love. Owls are hooting in the night. Everything just feels so right. Silent night, so calm and clear. Nature's melody we hear. Birds and crickets in the dark, leaving us their gentle mark. Fireflies light up the sky. Greatness seen by the naked eye. Rustling leaves in gentle blow. Morning comes to steal the show. Bats take flight in silent grace. Journey far from place to place. Frogs join in with quiet croak. Life in this night is no joke. Silent night, so calm and clear. Nature's melody we hear. Birds and crickets in the dark, leaving us their gentle mark. Feathers ruffle in morning light. Crickets chirp through the night. Wings in flight, they paint the sky. Nature's chorus makes me sigh. Whispers through the tall grass sway. Birds on branches greet the day. Cricket symphony never dull. Echoes burst from nature's hall. Song of the wild, it sings to me. Harmony in air so free. Crickets dance while birds take flight. Melody by day and night. Morning dew on petals cling. Humming tune that forest spring. Cicadas join the grand parade. In this forest serenade. Wind it blows through leaves so green. Rustling notes Song of the wild, it sings to me. Harmony in air so free. Crickets dance while birds take flight. Melody by day and night. Soft unseen, the crescendo builds as day turns night. Nature's orchestrate.
In the land where the sun never sleeps, through the wild where the lion creeps, elephants marching with mighty roars, echoes of drums from ancient shores. Giraffes stretch high to kiss the sky, zebras blending, not shy to try. Wisdom whispered by the old baobab tree. Mwakazi, spirit wild and free. Mwakazi. Rivers flow with tales untamed, hippos and crocs forever famed, footprints of ancestors here.